Today we will write a program which will enter radius of circle and calculate area and circumference. So we will write here r equal to int input, enter the radius. And now we have to calculate the area. So we will write here area equal to, what is the formula of area? That is pi r square. So we will write here the value of pi, that is 22.7. So we will write here 22.7 into r into r. Now we will calculate perimeter. So the formula of perimeter is 2 pi r. So we will write here 2 into pi, that is, now print area of, now we will print perimeter of circle. So we have to write here print perimeter of circle. Now we have to run it. Now we have to enter here radius, that is 7. So the area of circle is 154 and the perimeter of circle is 44. It is running correctly. Thank you.